Hey everybody, I'm Chef Greg and this is Chef Ben.
Hello.
And we're here at the Henny corporate office and we're in one of our many corporate kitchens. So a lot of the foods that we've been making today have all been around chicken.
Yep.
And right now we're doing one of the most popular chicken menu items on a lot of menus is chicken wings. We've been doing the wings inside of the pressure fryer and we've been batch cooking them. So if you know that at 11:30 you start getting busy on a Friday and you have a good 2-hour rush, you can batch cook wings in the fryer and hold them in the warming cabinet until you need them, and then we'll turn the fryer from a pressure cooker into an open fryer. You then have a cook time of 2 minutes. And you're gonna say, how do you do that? Well, we par cook these, and we cook these to about 185 degrees. So they're fully cooked, they're ready to go. And then the second cook is really gonna be there to crisp them up. But what that does is free up your fryers.
And the quality doesn't suffer.
The quality doesn't, in fact, it's actually better. And the reason why it's better is because you're par cooking them inside of a pressure fryer. It brings up the boiling point. It keeps the moisture inside the chicken. And it gets the outside of it crispy, and it's really delicious and wonderful. Let's show them the first step. And the first step, Chef Ben's gonna put these wings inside the pressure fryer, and the pressure fryer is set for 6 minutes and 45 seconds, 325 degrees, so the last 2 minutes are done without pressure. Now, based off the amount of chicken that's in there, you don't have to have a full load because these, and you can hear it now, these fryers all have pressure assist. So what that means is the fryer is building the pressure to maintain 12 pounds per square inch. And we have about 5.5 minutes left. I'll see you in 5 minutes. So the wings are done now and Chef Ben is gonna pull them up. We're gonna give them a little stir. These are cooked all the way you can eat them right now because you can see how juicy they are and plump they are. We're gonna put them into the holding cabinet, hold them for up to 2 hours, and then use them when we need for quick service. What we're gonna demonstrate now is how quick and how easy it is to retherm these wings, so when you're in a busy rush, you can save time and serve excellent quality food. We transferred over to 350 degrees, open fry. Ben's putting these wings in now. It's gonna act just like an open fryer. And then when we take them out, we'll toss it with one of our favorite sauces or dressings that we have, or dry rubs. We have a lot of dry rubs. And in under 2 minutes, we'll have some beautiful wings ready to go. Ben's pulling these up now, and we have some different flavors that we are making at Henny. Honestly, that's fantastic. These look great, and 2 minutes cook time, and you have a great product that is fresh, hot, and delicious. With Henny as your partner, you've got this.